And now for something completely different.
Today, as I battle this cold, we're going to take our water taxi from Lowe's Royal Pacific Hotel all the way to Universal Studios and Universal's Islands of Adventures so we can see the wizarding world of Harry Potter. It really is a quick trip through the streets of New York just to pop through San Francisco, and then we're there in London. And if you want to talk about your immersive worlds, there's no better place to do it than Universal Studios. I mean, this is London's King Cross Station, and this is Universal's King Cross Stations. Well, at least half of it.
Well, they're just going to send him to the elevator. I'm just going to need this ticket right here. Can you scan for me, please? Thank you. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. So, now that we've got our tickets stamped, let's head over to Islands of Adventure and Hogsmeade on the Hogwarts Express.
Do you have an express pass?
Yep.
Alright, let me just take a look. Alright, and you're going to have right on up this way. Hold on one moment. Let's get into the crowd. And just go ahead and keep to your right. This will lead you right to the
Alright, I'm lost now. I don't know. She just said keep to the right. And although London's King's Cross Station has this cute little photo opportunity where you can be at platform 9 3/4, at Universal, you actually go to platform 9 3/4. And then you're there, face to face with a Hogwarts Express. The magical Hogwarts Express, with nobody at the helm. It's also amazing how much the platform here looks just like one of the platforms at the King's Cross Station in London. Now, the last compartment of each coach is very special. They're handicap accessible, but you know what? I'm going to let her explain it.
a few steps?
No.
Okay. So we can load your chair in for you, and you won't have to get out of it at all. It's really cool. The wall opens and stuff.
Oh, awesome.
We're gonna put you in roast.
So you see, what they're going to do is a section of the wall just swings out of the way so you can get your wheelchair on board. Hello.
Just follow me.
And there it is. Once the wheelchair is firmly inside the cabin, they can close the wall behind you and the door will slide open to allow other people to join you. Then you're off on your trip to Hogsmeade on one of the 2 chain-driven trains that make the 4/10 of a mile journey. Oh yeah, spoiler alert! Yeah, they pass each other on the only section of double track that's located right behind this building. Actually, it's behind the facade and the car park behind the facade. See that car park? I did that English thing. And then you arrive in Hogsmeade. Oh, wait a second. This isn't Hogsmeade. Hold on just a second. Okay, now that's better. Now, on our first trip to Hogsmeade, yes, there were several that day, I decided I'd back my wheelchair off the train, and it was a fairly simple procedure. Although it turns out there's enough room for me to spin my wheelchair around, even though it's a larger model, right there in the hallway and go straight off the train instead.
Thank you.
Is it just me, or is Hogsmeade a lot bigger station than you remember? No, definitely smaller. Must be a magic thing. Of course, we have to use the lift to get down to the right level. Hello. And if you're going to return to the Hogwarts Express here in Hogsmeade, this is the gate you use if you're in a wheelchair to return. And Hogsmeade is a magical place filled with magical people. Lots of magical people, magical places, and of course, butterbeer. And there was some weird doings up at the Hogwarts school. But we'll cover that in another video. Emmy still won't talk to me because I hadn't taken her to the wizarding world of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you did like it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.